Hello and welcome to Borthakur's IS Academy. Today is June 5th. So let me discuss about the important current affairs as I have said regarding the mains comes prelims, what I will be taking in the class in the current affairs section. So let us move to the next topic now. So we'll go for the mains topic first. So now very important article what the Assam Tribune discusses is lawlessness in college, university campuses cause for concern. Very important law asolte ain kanun thakibo lage kisuman collegeot বা কিছুমান বাধ্যকতা থাকিব লাগে নহলে বহুতখিনি প্ৰবলেমছ দেখা যায় যোনটো প্ৰবলেমছ আমি ৰিসেন্টলি আমি দেখা পালো যোনটো এক্সিডেন্ট আমাৰ জালুকবাৰীত হল সো হেতুক লৈ পেলাই আসলে এই গুটে আৰ্টিকেলটো ফোকাস কৰিছে সো lawlessness in some institutes of higher education in the state has become a cause of concern and the recent tragic death of 7 students of Assam Engineering College in the late night car crash once again brought into sharp focus the need for strict administration so schools colleges bilakot law of administration thakibo lage so hetuk level gute article to discuss korise je law kyo karone lage institute bilakot kihor karone administration to alaman strict hobo lage hetuk le gute article to discuss korise aru bahut beshi important asolte etu amar APSC heri karone mains examination or karone so etu mains topic ot ami loisu because questions put forward koribo pare je regarding accidents ami agoteu kotha patisu je accidents মানে হৈ আছে আৰু এক্সিডেন্টছৰ ওপৰত আৰ্টিকেলছ হিন্দুত আহি আছে আসাম ট্ৰিবিউনত আহি আছে সো ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট আৰ্টিকেল টু এটো হয় আসলে লawlessness in schools and colleges সো তাৰ ওপৰত এটো আৰ্টিকেল আপোনালোকে ভালকে পঢ়িব ইয়াৰ কিছুমান স্টেপস দিয়া হৈছে যে ক্যামেৰাজ লগাব লাগে তাৰ পিছত এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেচন তো বহুত ষ্ট্ৰিক্ট হ'ব লাগে এটোৰ ওপৰত ডিসকাস কৰা হৈছে সো at one point of time the Jawaharlal Nehru University hostels were notorious for lawlessness but the situation has improved considerably after the university authorities started taking strict action asolte universities bilak olop strict hobo lage titia strict actions lobo lage aru administration to oloman টান হ'ব লাগে তেতিয়া ষ্টুডেন্টস বিলাকে যেহেতু তাত আহি পেলাই বেছি উৎপাত বা বদমাসি কৰিব নোৱাৰে যাতে এটো বহুত বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট আৰু এটুক লেভেলে APSC কোৱেশ্চন পুট ফৰৱাৰ্ড কৰিব পাৰে যোনটো এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কোৱেশ্চন আজি এটো মই বনাই আনিছো কোৱেশ্চনটো বহুত বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট law is the essence in education institutions elucidate the above line with respect to academic institutions 200 words so very important question asolte etu questions probable questions or bitorat you can keep it karon junbla questions moi di aso ebela question bahut beshi chance ase APSC mains ot ebela articles or pora reflect koribo karone so eniko dhonor questions kison banwa hoise jeneke agote moi koisilu je society economy আৰু পলিটি এই তিনটা এসপেক্ট থাকিব লাগিব আমাৰ আনসার্স বিলাকত so please write down the answers and comment in the comment section below or also you can send it to me at the official mail of Borthakur's IS Academy so now let's move to the next topic plastic pollution again a very important in 1972 আজি যেটো environment day হয় so environment day karone এই আৰ্টিকেলটো বিশেষকৈ দিয়া হৈছে in 1972 the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment held in Stockholm Sweden very important for prelims point of view unanimously decided to celebrate June 5 as World Environment Day very important KTR pra start hoise prelims point of view pra bahut beshi important the Stockholm Declaration of 1972 established 26 environmental policies that became the pillars of the UN Environment Program so a article to discuss kora hoise plastic pollution or oporot the plastic pollution ki problem asolte kore so yet bahut beshi important hoy ami bahut belak agreements ami korisu global warming or karone ozone depletion or karone jenake protocol jenake Kyoto protocol etc jun belake environment to safeguard koribo karone asolte jai kintu etia ami jehetu aji world environment day ami a plastic pollution or upor ami discuss korisu so notably plastic pollution is again the theme of the environment day this year very important plastic pollution is the theme of the environment day this year after 2018 so prelims or statement question ahibo pare so please it is very important for your prelims examination aru environment paper khonor karone environment paper ba environment topic or pora etu question plastic pollution or upor question teoloke raise koribo pare so please read this article with respect to environmental degradation due to the plastic so এই সিনাৰিওটো মানে বুজোৱা হৈছে যে কিহৰ কাৰণে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হৈ আছে প্লাষ্টিক পলিউশন আমাৰ প্লাষ্টিক বিলাক কিহৰ কাৰণে মানে ডিগ্ৰেড নহয় বায়োলজিক্যালি সো এই গুটেই আৰ্টিকেলটোত এই গুটেই প্লাষ্টিকৰ ওপৰত ডিসকাস কৰা হৈছে আৰু এটা বহুত বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট মেইনছৰ ফালৰ পৰাও সো এতিয়া সিঙ্গল ইউজ প্লাষ্টিকৰ ওপৰতো কথা কৈছে since the 1950s the amount of plastic waste has been increasing steadily this amount is found to be too high near developed countries or cities to reduce our dependence on plastic and prevent pollution we must first eliminate single use plastics completely very important So etu mainsor topic or falar pra bahut beshi important plastic pollution or upor pra. So plastic or keneko dhoroner pollutions amar environment ot kori ase aru plastic or karone amar kiman khini jotilota amar ahise samajot. So etu global gote article te discuss korise. It's a very important article, so please go through this article, okay? So again, very important, the circular, in November 2022, the Union Ministry of Environment and Forest adopted some of the fresh policies for the recycling and management of e-waste. Accordingly, the e-waste management rule 2022 has been enacted with some amendments to the e-waste 2016 Act. The Act came into force on April 1, 2023 in India. Very, very important. Etu prelims or falor para bahut beshi important. Ebla questions in between the lines, they can ask you for a prelims examination. A plastic recycling industry is the need of the hour in Assam. Amak lage, Ohomok lage. Plastic recycling industry amar Ohomok lage. Bahut beshi important hoye ase. So ebela kisuman steps you can include in your answers. So this kind of answers will be a game changer for your APSC mains examination. So please go through this article again, okay? So now I have raised a very important question. Discuss the problems faced due to plastic pollutions. 150 words. Please write it down and send it to me in the mail address of the Bothagur IAS Academy. So it is very much important again what I have discussed. So please go through the society part, economy part and polity part of every answer, because every answer is very much focused on society, economy and polity and the way forward. So egeta bostu bhalke likhi pelai jeneke tumaloke mail kori asa mule ba comment ot likhi asa. So it's very important that you submit your answers on time so that I can deliver the answer to you, the corrected answers on time. So let's move to the next article now. So next article or next topic is the Kavach system. Etu bahut beshi important amar juntu rail accidents bilak amar recently juntu hol etu loi pele gote article tu likha goise. The Kavach TSCS activates mane Kavach system to asolde ki hoy. It's a train's braking system automatically if the driver fails to control the train as per speed restrictions. Bahut beshi important. In addition, it prevents the collision between two locomotives equipped with functional Kavach system. Etu bahut beshi important karon ketia amar ami dekha pao je train system belakot je train ekaloge goi thake ite collisions kisuman hobo pare. Ei collision to avoid koribo karone ami ei Kavach mechanism to ami adopt korisu. Both the Shalimar Chennai Coromandel Express and the Yeshwanthpur Howrah Express were not fitted with the Kavach TSCS. Very important for prelims point of view. Jar karone ei gutei destructive juntu amar hole hetu destruction juntu hole hetu karone amar hobo pare. The South Central Railway Zone is a pioneer in the implementation of the Kavach. Very, very important. The South Central Railway Zone is a pioneer. Etu prelims again ahibo pare karon etu bahut beshi hot topic. Bahut khini manu yat morise aru bahut khini manu injured hoise a rail accident tut. Orissa rail accident juntu hoise amar recently. So etu kla article tu likha hoise. So ebela khoru khura question junbilak in between the lines ase amar of the articles ebela questions put forward koribo pare in your prelims examination. Aru etu prelims plus mains dutar karone bahut beshi important hoy. The Kavach system has been deployed in 1465 kilometers in the SCR limits in 77 locomotives and 135 stations till March this year. Very important. These figures also is very much important. So juntu amar etia juntu accident amar hol hetur upore article to discuss korise aru need of the Kavach system aru kisuman braking mechanism junbilak ami anibo paro amar train belakot ba junbilak amar engineers belake junbilak implement koribo pare ba notun design koribo pare hetu loi pelai ami sabo lagibo aru baki country belake jenake Israel hok, America hok, China hok teoloke keniko dhonor braking system implement korise hebelak loi pelai asolte ami focus koribo lage aru jihetu amar questions bilak with respect to India ahibo. So ami junbilak dekha pao belak country teoloke keneke dhonor trainer mechanisms bilak teoloke upgrade korise. Of course amar eta upgradation hoy ase. Ami ite Bande Bharat Express ami ite inauguration korisu. Bahut high speed train hoy tat bahut beshi advanced technology ase. Kintu ami ensure koribo lagibo jate eneko dhonor accident bilak jate aru kitio in future nohoy tar karone junbilak mechanisms like the Kavach system ba onyanna mechanism junbilak mechanism e train bilakok rakhabo karone bahut beshi subida diye. So ei mechanism bilak ami implement koribo lagibo. So this article talks about the Kavach system. So what exactly is Kavach? So question 2, it can come in your mains examination. The Kavach is an indigenously developed automatic train protection ATP system by the Research, Design and Standard Organization RDSO in collaboration with the Indian industry. The trials are facilitated by the South Central Railway to achieve the safety in train operations across Indian railways. It is बहुत बेसी important. So it talks about what exactly is Kavach. It is a braking mechanism which is being indigenously developed. Automatic train protection etu thakibo lage jeneke amar flight bilakor auto pilot thake so eniko dhonor technology bharat ka kavach juntu amar koa hoy indigenously developed hoy etu kuno bahiror pa import kora nai etu indigenously developed hoy question statement question ahibo pare je kavach system to ami bahiror pa ami anisu ami indigenously developed hoy but the answer is it is indigenously being developed and by which it is being developed ebla question yet ahibo pare which is being mentioned in the article like indigenously being developed automatic train protection system by the Research Design and Standard Organization RDSO in collaboration with the Indian industry. Very important. So yak loi pele questions bahut khini teoloke prelims plus mains teoloke APSC and UPSC can frame your questions. So how does the Kavach work on railway system? The traffic collision avoidance system, TCAS, very much important. What do you understand by traffic collision avoidance system? With the help of equipment on board, the locomotive and the transmission towers at stations connected with radio frequency identification, RFID tags helps in two-way communication between the station master and the loco pilot to convey any emergency messages. The instrument panel inside the cabin helps the loco pilot to know about the signal in advance without visual sighting and the permissible speed to be maintained. If a red signal is jumped and two trains come face to face on the same line, the technology automatically takes over and applies sudden brakes. Very important. Eto exactly like autopilot. Junto amar flight belakot ami dekha pao autopilot. Eto Kavach mechanism ami indigenously develop kore. So ei article to Kavach system to describe kore. So बहुत बेसी important the Kavach project is yet to be implemented. Problem to ki hoy ase both the Shalimar Chennai Coromandel Express and the Yeshwanthpur Howrah Expressway not fitted with the Kavach TACS. Very tragic. Etu kothar karone accident to hoise. The Kavach system project is yet to be implemented on the Howrah Kharagpur Chennai line. However, Jaya Verma Sinha, a member of the Operation and Business Development Railway Board, reasoned that the reaction time and the distance were very short as the train was traveling at a very high speed. So যদিও মানুহে কমেন্ট কৰে যদিও ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰ্সে কমেন্ট কৰে টেকনিশিয়ানসে কমেন্ট কৰে but then we have to implement technologies, we have to build up technologies in India or else we have to import technologies from countries like China, America or like Russia so that problems or disasters like a train accident which has happened in Odisha is being avoided. So this article talks about Kavach system and the accident, the reason behind which the accidents have happened. So this is very much important for your mains point of view. Okay, so Kavach to code implement kora hoise. Where has Kavach been implemented? The Union Railway Minister inspected the trial of the Kavach working system between Gulaguda Chitigida railway stations on Lingampally Vikrabad section in the Secunderabad division of South Central Railway last March. The South Central Railway Zone is a pioneer in the implementation of the Kavach TACS. Very important. The South Central Railway Zone is a pioneer in the implementation of the Kavach TACS. Very much important for your prelims point of view. Prelims point of view karone teoloke statement question yar para dibo pare. The Kavach system has been deployed over 1465 km in the SCR limits in 77 locomotives and 135 stations till March this year. Very important. Factual details are very much important for your prelims point of view as they can ask you questions regarding Kavach system in statement or in the MCQs directly. So this is very much important for your prelims as well as mains examination. So what is the Kavach deployment strategy now? Deployment strategy to keniko Kavach implementation is being taken up in a focused manner by the railway board. The first priority are the high density routes. High density routes mane jo train bilak besi ohajo kori thake that Kavach system to amak lage for automatic braking system. So high density routes and the New Delhi, Mumbai and New Delhi, Howrah sections as they have higher chances of accidents because the trains run closer to each other. The second priority lines are highly used networks. The third ones are the passenger high density routes and the final priority is of course to cover all the routes. Kintu eta kotha amak lage gote Kavachor nista mechanism ba technology amak lage railway belakot jate ami এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ collisions বা accident বিলাক যাতে আমি avoid কৰিব পাৰো তাক লৈ পেলাই গোটেই আৰ্টিকেলটো ফোকাস কৰা হৈছে ইয়াৰ পৰা মেইনছৰ কোৱেশ্চন কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ আহিব পাৰে আমি চাও কাহক এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কোৱেশ্চন আহিব পাৰে ৰিসেন্টলি ইন্ডিয়া witnessed the worst train accidents of all times comment on the above statement and ways to tackle future accidents so in this answer you have to write about the Kavach mechanism the Kavach mechanism, and the way forward. Also you have to write down about how the train accident happened and what was the lacuna in the train accident which ultimately led to deaths of several hundreds of people in the Odisha train accident. So this you have to write down, and the ways to tackle, that is what I am every day saying in the answer writing, is the way forward. Way forward to amar karne ki hoy, etu bahut besi important, because as a bureaucrat, as a civil servant, you have to take policy decisions in the administrative mechanism of the country. So it's very much important. So please write down in 200 words, comment and write down in 200 words, and please send it to me like you are sending it. So now this was the main topics for today from the Assam Tribune, the Hindu and the other sources. So let's come to the prelims topic now. Very important, Guwahati still lacking behind in managing e-waste from household sources at a time when environment protection, আজি যেহেতু আমাৰ World Environment Day হয়, so সেই কথাটোৰ কাৰণে আজি আমি এবিলাক আৰ্টিকেল বহুত বেছি দেখা পাইছো পেপাৰত. At a time when environment protection and waste management has become a serious concern across the globe, Guwahati is still lacking behind in managing the e-waste from household sources in the city. Very important. E-waste mane ki? Yar par question ahibo pare prelims or they can give you statement question. As we know, APSC is following the pattern of UPSC. Aur UPSC ta ami ebar dekhisu statement question by elimination question to bahut kom ebar teoloke dise. Teoloke direct A is correct, B is correct, or all of them are correct, or none of them are correct. Any ধৰণৰ questions তেওঁলোকে দিছে, in depth knowledge লাগিব হেতু কথাৰ কাৰণে e-waste মানে কি হয় এটো বহুত বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট. দ্য গুৱাহাটী মিউনিসিপাল কৰ্পোৰেচন এটো বহুত বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট প্ৰিলিমছ পইণ্ট অফ ভিউ পৰা, যে এটো এস্টাব্লিশমেন্ট কেতিয়া হৈছিলে, ইয়াৰ এই বডিটোৱে কেনেকৈ ফাংশনিং কৰে, এটো বহুত বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয়. সো এই আৰ্টিকেলটো ডিসকাস কৰিছে about management of e-waste. এটো ভাইভাত খুদিব পাৰে তোমালোকক, because vivat question black এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ question তেওঁলোকে raise কৰে, like flash floods or e-waste or plastic pollution, environmental degradation, they can ask you like this kind of question. So let's move to the next topic now. City Hospital to roll out diploma course in anesthesiology. Very, very important. The National Board of Examinations has approved the Swagat Super Specialty Hospital, Maligaon, for postgraduate seats in anesthesiology. The hospital got allotment of 2 seats per year for diploma in anesthesiology by the board, said a press release. Very important prelims point of view para. Anesthesia mane ki amak jitia operation korar samoyot amar anesthesia dia hoy, local anesthesia dia hoy, amar general anesthesia dia hoy, jate local anesthesia mane jodi khoru khura jagat jodi operation koribo laga hoy tetia hole local anesthesia die jate he area to numb kori die jate ami dukh kosto jate kom pa operation to korote, aru jeta general anesthesia dia hobo jate major operation jeneke liver transplant hok ba kidney transplant hok eniko dhonor operation, or you know any kind of major surgery, jetia gutei manuhor gutei body to manutuk eta sleeping state ot loi joa hoy jate operation korile jetia তেওঁলোকে কোনো কষ্ট মানে একো ফিল নকৰে, হেতু হল এনাস্থেসিয়াৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেন্ট. আৰু এনাস্থেসিয়া ডিপাৰ্টমেন্টটো বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট ডিপাৰ্টমেন্ট হয়, আৰু এনাস্থেসিয়া ডক্টৰ বিলাকো বহুত বেলেগ, মানে অলপ এটা ডিপাৰ্টমেন্টটোৱে কমপ্লিটলি বেলেগ, আৰু ডক্টৰছৰ সেকশনটো কমপ্লিটলি বেলেগ নৰ্মেল ডক্টৰছতকে. কাৰণ এনাস্থেসিয়া ডক্টৰ যে অকল এনাস্থেসিয়াই চাই কিমানখিনি এনাস্থেসিয়া দিব লাগিব এজন মানুহক, তেওঁৰ বডি হাইট ওয়েট মিলাই পেলাই গোটেইখিনি কথা ইয়াত আহি যায়, which talks about the biology section. আৰু আমি এবাৰ গম পাইছো যে স্বাগত সুপাৰ স্পেশালিটি হস্পিটেল মালিগাঁও for postgraduate seats they have got in anesthesiology. Very important prelims point of view para they can ask you this question, okay, and they can also ask you question regarding anesthesia. So World Environment Day, again very important, as is June 5, so it's World Environment Day. So World Environment Day is celebrated annually on June 5th to encourage awareness and action for the protection of the environment. আমি সকলোৱে জানো. So 2023 ৰ থিম টু কি এবাৰ এটো বহুত বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট. আমি তো 5 জুন টু গম পাও যে World Environment Day হয়, কিন্তু 2023 ৰ থিম টু কি? This year the official theme of the World Environment Day is beat plastic pollution. Again very important. প্লাষ্টিক পলিউশন আমি দেখা পাও যে বলে যতেই আমি নাযাও কিয় কাৰণে প্লাষ্টিক দেখা পাও, যতেই বস্তু নিকিনো কিয় দোকানী আমাক প্লাষ্টিক দিয়ে, আৰু এই প্লাষ্টিক বিলাক আমি ওয়ান টাইম ইউজ কৰি পেলাই আমি এই প্লাষ্টিক বিলাক পেলাই দিও, কিন্তু এই প্লাষ্টিক বিলাক বায়োলজিক্যালি ডিগ্ৰেড নহয়, আলটিমেটলি আমাৰ গোটেই এনভায়ৰনমেন্ট বেয়া কৰে. কালি পৰহি যদি আমি সেই মাটি যদি খান্দিবৰ কাৰণে যাওঁ বা যদি আমি তাত গছ পুলি ৰুবৰ কাৰণে যাওঁ, আমি দেখা পাম সেই প্লাষ্টিক বিলাকে আমাক ইফেক্ট কৰি আছে বা প্লাষ্টিক বিলাকে গোটেই এনভায়ৰনমেন্টটো বেয়া কৰি আছে. সো সেইকাৰণে বহুত বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট এই প্লাষ্টিক পলিউশনটো মানে খতম কৰা বা কাৰ্ভ কৰাৰ কাৰণে. সো এইবাৰৰ থিমটো হল বিট প্লাষ্টিক পলিউশন. ভেৰি ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট ফৰ your prelims point of view. Please go through this article which is very important, okay. So Mission Life project in Assam, very important. World Environment Day, 5th June. Mission Life project in Assam is very much important by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. The Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, inaugurated the Mission Lifestyle for Environment Life. Very much important for your APSC and all kind of Assam government examination. Mission Lifestyle for Environment. Okay, in Assam, in the line of the global mass movement led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the initiative aims. Your aim to keep. The initiative aims to encourage an environmentally conscious lifestyle with a focus on utilizing resources rather than engaging in wasteful consumption. Resource black jate ami utilize koribo paru, recycle koribo paru rather than engaging in wasteful consumption. It's very much important. In a different initiative to safeguard the forest of Assam, our Honorable CM has undertaken a first of its kind training program for newly recruited forest officials at police training centers. The program will be launched today in the occasion of the World Environment Day. So aji 5th June, so a program to launch kora habo. Very much important. Our theme to ki Mission Lifestyle for Environment Life in Assam is in the line of global mass movement. It is very much important. So please go through this. Training centers bila kot inauguration kora habo ba unique features bila ki hoy. So here gote discuss kora ase gote article to. So please go through this article for your prelims point of view. Snake bite care, very important. Snake bites, because আমি দেখা পাওঁ যে বোলে স্নেক বাইট বিলাকত স্নেক বাইটস লৈ পেলাই বহুত মানুহখিনি মৰে, বহুত মানুহ বহুত বেয়াকে ইনজিয়ৰ্ড হয়. সো স্নেক বাইটক লৈ পেলাই ডিমো কমিউনিটি হেল্থ চেণ্টাৰ বিকেম ৰোল মডেল ফৰ ৰুৰেল ইণ্ডিয়া. ভেৰি মাছ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ফৰ ইয়ৰ প্ৰিলিমছ পইণ্ট অফ ভিউ. প্ৰিলিমছ পইণ্ট অফ ভিউ কাৰণে বহুত বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট যে ডিমো কমিউনিটি হেল্থ চেণ্টাৰ হেজ বিকাম দ্য ৰোল মডেল ফৰ ৰুৰেল India. Memories of the day are still fresh when 16-year-old Pahi, a tea garden worker near Sepon, was bitten by a snake, and then she had to undergo a lot of suffering before doctors at Dimo Community Health Center came to her rescue and saved her life. It's very much important. It talks about, you know, the tragic incident of a girl. Snake bite is a major health problem in the country. India is the capital of snake bite related deaths in the world. Very much important, is the capital of snake bite related deaths. Hape khuti manu morar karone bahut beshi important. Amar India holds a very major part with over 58,000 deaths. A figure to important nohoy, kintu ami janibo lagibo je bole hape khuti pele manu morar karone India has become the capital. WHO attributes it to the lack of coordinated and comprehensive care in snake bite management. Dimo CHC has achieved a unique distinction in the country as a model hospital with a proactive snake bite management led by Dr. Giri. It's very important. Dimo college of question ahibo pare. It can come in your prelims examination. Also mains examination of jodi eniko dhoroner question kiba ahe regarding snake bite, you can give the example of the Dimo college. It can also come in your mains examination. Okay, let's move to the next topic now. CSI and NIST to host virtual seminar on CHAT GPT. The Advanced Computation and Data Sciences Division of CSI and NIST Jorhat will organize a virtual seminar on Chat GPT, unraveling the conundrum, on Monday. Very important, as CSI and NIST official informed that Chat GPT is a combination of chatbot functionally. So, এই বস্তুটো কি হয়? So, এইটোৰ ওপৰত বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট, আৰু Advanced Computation and Data Sciences Division of CSI and NIST Jorhat, এইটো বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট, will organize a virtual seminar on Chat GPT. এইটো question prelims আহিব পাৰে. কোনে organize কৰিছে CSI and NIST Jorhat. A virtual seminar, very much important, as CSI and NIST official informed that Chat GPT is a combination of chatbot functionality and generative pre-trained transformer GPT, which is a part of a large language model LLM, and is slated to be one of the emerging game-changing application developed through open artificial intelligence technology in recent times. So science and tech part of recent development, it is very much important. So please go through it, and prelims point of view about basic important, as Jorhat CSI and NIST will be organizing a virtual seminar which is organized today. So it's very much important. So again a very important, child marriage. আমি দেখা পাইছো যে বাল্য বিবাহ লৈ পেলে মাজতে বহুত বিতৰ্ক হৈছে, মানুহক বহুতখিনি মানুহক এৰেষ্ট কৰা হ'ল, বহুতখিনি মানুহে মানে এই কষ্ট পাই আছে গোটে সোশ্যাল স্টিগমাটো লৈ পেলাই. সো এই গোটেই বস্তুটো যোনটো গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে ষ্টেপ লৈছে টু মেক দ্য ষ্টেট child marriage free, it's a very commendable and it's a very great step taken by the government of Assam in collaboration with government of India. It's a বহুত ভাল step লোৱা হৈছে. So এইটোক লৈ পেলাই আজি এটা আৰ্টিকেল আহিছে, zero child marriage tag to 2 villages in Kachar district. Very much important. The Kachar district administration has declared 2 villages, Rukni part 4 under the Dholais constituency and Bhairapur part 1 under the Katigora constituency as zero child marriage villages in the district. Directly factual question, it can come for your prelims examination. It is very much important. So regarding child marriage, what are the problems faced by the incumbents in a child marriage can be asked also in your mains as well as in your viva examination. So it's very much important for your prelims point of view. So the बहुत बेसी important article actually, RBI interest rate decision, global trends to drive market analyst. এটা বহুত important article actually. So ইয়াৰ economics or আমি basic concepts বিলাক জানিব লাগিব, যেনেকৈ CRR, SLR, repo rate, reverse repo rate, etc. So তেতিয়া আমি গোটেই বস্তুটো গম পাম. The Reserve Bank of India's interest rate decision. Reserve Bank of India বহুত কেইটা interest rate তেওঁলোকে তেওঁলোকে সম্ভালে. So এইবিলাক interest rate ওপৰত কথা পতা হৈছে. The Reserve Bank of India's interest rate decision, domestic macroeconomic data and global trends will dictate terms in equity markets this week, analysts said. So it's very important. The Indian market will be closely monitoring the Reserve Bank of India's monetary policy. So monetary policy report questions prelims or ahibo pare. What do you mean by monetary policy? Aru eta question bahut beshi important into prelims or khodibo pare, hetu hol fiscal policy. Fiscal policy. Difference between monetary policy and fiscal policy, they can ask you in your mains examination. Monetary policy report they can give you statement question. Fiscal policy report they can give you statement questions. Okay. So it talks about the Reserve Bank of India's interest rate decisions. The Indian markets are closely monitoring the Reserve Bank of India's monetary policy rates. So it talks about, as I have said you, regarding the interest rate which is being given by the Reserve Bank of India. So these are very much important. These are all statistical data. This is not very important for a prelims point of view, but for your mains point of view, there are certain questions which I have brought for you. It's very much important. Questions ahibo APSC mains or eniko dhoroner ahibo pare. Write notes on what is cash reserve ratio, what is statutory liquid ratio, what do you mean by repo rate, what do you mean by reverse repo rate, what is net demand and time liabilities, net demand and time liabilities, NDTL, tier 1 and tier 2 capitals of banks. It's very much important. So ebilak concept Borthakur IAS Academy amar economics class ot bahut bhalke porhoa hoy. So you can join Borthakur IAS Academy or you can follow our study material notes. I'll also be coming with the important articles like CRR, SLR, repo, reverse repo and net demand time liabilities in my next class of economics. So these are very much important. I have given a sample question for your APSC mains examination. UPSC mains also they can ask questions like this. APSC prelims also they can ask questions from reverse repo, SLR, CRR, net demand time liabilities and tier 1, tier 2 capitals, which are core concept in economics, which you should follow it. Economics or karone bhal kitab khon hol Ramesh Singhor economics kitab khon, aru class 11 and class 12 for NCERT economics micro as well as macroeconomics. Tar bahira aru eku poribo dor karone APSC or UPSC preparation ot Ramesh Singhor economy book khon aru class 11, class 12 NCERT micro and macroeconomics. These are very much important. If you want, you can read from class 6 to class 10th economics, all the books, which is very much important. Our daily current affairs, the Economic Times, but the Hindu or the Financial Express, in other papers, we can read it for our economics paper. It's very much important for your examination. Okay, so these are the things what I have said, CRR, SLR, which you can write down and also send it to me in my official mail address. Also you can write down in the comment section below. So it's very important article from economics point of view. And now moving to the last topic, Madhav Dev. It's very important. Aji janeke ami gom pao je aji amar bondho kihor karone bondho Madhav Devor tithi karone. Madhav Dev's tithi 535th birth anniversary. Question ahibo pare prelims or yar pora prothomote je ebar kiman birth anniversary hol. 535th birth anniversary. Sri Sri Madhav Dev is an important preceptor of Ek Khoroniya Nam Dharma for his loyalty to his Guru Srimanta Shankar Dev as well as his artistic brilliance. যেতিয়া আমি শংকৰদেৱৰ কথা কওঁ তেতিয়া আমাৰ মাধৱদেৱৰ কথা অটোমেটিক্যালি আমাৰ আহি যায়, কাৰণ শংকৰদেৱ আৰু মাধৱদেৱ they are the different faces of the same coin. এক শৰণীয়া নাম ধৰ্মক প্ৰচাৰ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে অসমত বা ভাৰতবৰ্ষত they are very much instrumental and they are the pioneers of এক শৰণীয়া নাম ধৰ্ম যোনটো শংকৰদেৱ আৰু মাধৱদেৱে ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছিলে. So it's very much important. Today is the 535th birth anniversary of Madhav Dev. Initially তেওঁৰ জীৱনৰ ওপৰত কথা কোৱা হৈছে. Initially he was Shakta worshipper. Madhav Dev was converted to এক শৰণীয়া নাম ধৰ্ম by Shankar-Dev, very much important, and became his most prominent disciple. Very important. Like jeneke Buddhar samayat Anand became his most favorite disciple. In the same way, Madhavdev became the most favorite disciple of Srimanta Shankardev. Okay, so it's very much important. The Nam Ghosha is being written by Madhavdev, and it's a large selection of songs called Borgits. Question ahibo pare, what do you mean by Borgits? Statement question dibo pare, factual question dibo pare, Borgitor oporot mains question put forward kobo pare, Nam Ghoshar opor question forward kobo pare. So read between the lines. Read between the lines. এইটোৰ পৰা আমি বহুতখিনি কোৱেশ্চন ফ্ৰেম কৰিব পাৰোঁ. দ্যাট ইজ দ্য ৰিজন বহুত ল'ৰা ছোৱালীখিনিয়ে কয় যে বোলে আমি যি পঢ়িলোঁ এক্সামত এইবিলাকৰ পৰা অহা নাই. কিয় অহা নাই? আহা এইটো কথাৰ কাৰণে নাই, বিকজ উই আৰ নট ৰিডিং ইন বিটুইন দ্য লাইনছ. আমি ইন বিটুইন দ্য লাইনছ আমি পঢ়িব লাগিব. আৰু বৰঠাকুৰ আই এছ একাডেমীত কেনেকৈ ইন বিটুইন দ্য লাইনছ পঢ়োৱা হয় এই বস্তুটো স্পেচিয়েল ফ'কাছ দিয়া হয়. বেচ চাইজবিলাক আমাৰ বহুত সৰু, ষ্টুডেণ্টছে আমাৰ তাত পঢ়ি পেলাই বহুত ভাল পায়. এতিয়া আমাৰ এডমিশ্যন চলি আছে and seats are becoming full. So please, if you want to join Bothakur's IAS Academy, contact in the comment section below. Or also you can write down our official phone number 7086334049, 7086334049. So ek khoroniya naam dharmor opor ami kotha pati asu. So Madhavdev had grown into a stone saktam junkhini kotha teo live story report koise. Ultimately teo ek khoroniya naam dharmo loisile Shankardeবৰ পৰা. Is very much important. Aru jot jetia Shankardev aru Madhavdewe log paisil Majulit, সেই সংযোগটো ডেট মানে সেই লগ পোৱাটোক মণিকাঞ্চন সংযোগ বুলি কোৱা হয় আচলতে অসম হিষ্ট্ৰীত বা আমাৰ এক শৰণীয়া নাম ধৰ্মত এই বস্তুটো মণিকাঞ্চন সংযোগ বুলি কোৱা হয়. ভেৰি মাছ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট. চ' দিছ দে কেন আস্ক ইউ কুৱেশ্যনছ ফ্ৰম মাধৱদেৱছ 535th বাৰ্থ এনিভাৰ্চাৰী. চ' ইয়াৰ পৰা কুৱেশ্যনছ দে কেন পুট ফৰৱাৰ্ড হুইচ ইজ ভেৰি মাছ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ফৰ ইয়ৰ APSC মেইনছ এজ ৱেল এজ ফৰ ইয়ৰ প্ৰিলিমছ এক্সামিনেশ্যন. সো কন্ট্ৰিবিউশন কি আছিলে যেনেকৈ আমি গম পালোঁ তেওঁ কিতাপ লিখিছিলে নাম ঘোষা, দ্য বুক অফ দি লৰ্ডছ নেম হুইচ ইজ এ গ্ৰেট ৱৰ্ক এজ ৱেল এজ শংকৰদেৱে লিখিছিল কীৰ্তন ঘোষা, তেওঁ লিখিছিল নাম ঘোষা. দ্য ইংলিছ ভাৰ্চন অফ দিছ বুক ছাবটাইটেল দ্য ডিভাইন ভাৰ্ছ ইজ ট্ৰান্সলেটেড বাই সৰোজ কুমাৰ দত্তা in 1997 in lucid verse. Very much important. So his another significant work is Bhakti Ratnavali. Again they can ask you questions regarding the works done by Madhavdev. His another significant work is the Bhakti Ratnavali. Kune likhisile? It's by Madhavdev. It's very important. He is also the author of many Borgits. Okay, so his first literary work is Janma Rahasya. Very important, based on the creation and destruction of the world. Very much important. Among Madhavdev's other outstanding contributions are Nam Malika and the Assamese rendering of the Adi Kanda of Balmiki's Ramayana. In his dramas like Arjun Bhajan, Chordhara, Pimpara Guswa, Bhumi Letowa, etc. These are all very much important, and his songs Borgit Bhatima is very, very important. So questions mains on ahibo pare regarding Madhavdev, and it's being expected also. So prelims oto question ahibo pare, mains oto question ahibo pare. So question has been given. Comment on Shankar Madhav collaboration which led to drastic rise of Vaishnavism in Assam, 200 words. Please write down and send me in the official mail of Bothakur's IAS Academy. Also you can write in the comment section below. So it's very much important. Comment on Shankar Madhav's collaboration which led to drastic rise of Vaishnavism in Assam. We'll talk about Vaishnavism, we'll talk about Shaivism, we'll talk about Shaktism in due course of time in the different lectures. So this is the topic which talks about Madhavdev's Tithi 535th birth anniversary. So we have framed a test series, or we have framed MCQs with the name of Samadhan, IAS and ACS, where I'll be giving you the MCQs. Please solve it down and write in the comment section below, which is very much important for your prelims examination. Please solve these MCQs and write in the comment section below. These are very important current affairs MCQs for your prelims, Samadhan, IAS and ACS. Okay, so these are the MCQs what I have given. So thank you very much. That was all for today. Download the PDF, join the WhatsApp group, link in description, and please don't forget to see the Kerala story, the hardcore facts, what I have presented in front of you today in my video, the Kerala story hardcore facts. Thank you very much. Stay healthy.